right through here because she's been carrying the world up here in this lung and heart area. Perfect. All right, good morning. It's a fantastic Friday here at Bates Chiropractic. We're just finishing up our shift for this morning. We took care of a lot of people in here. And we're just finishing up with the staff here. And I'm gonna get my adjustment too. I'm gonna tell you about our hours. We're gonna have regular adjusting hours like usual. We'll be a little bit different in the procedure and how you come in because we're gonna have practice of safe distancing in here. The way that we're allowing people to come into the office. Also, of course, clean before and after like we always do on the tables and keeping that clean. So we're paying special attention to what's going on in the environment right now. So let's go ahead and turn on the power here. So Yesenia has a great weekend. Feel that? Okay. So her sacrum, we're going to adjust that, but we're going to come up right through here because she's been carrying the world up here in this lung and heart area. Perfect. And then she has the funny bone here. Excellent. I just felt that come right down here and just totally relax. Took that rotation out. A lot of times when people are really locked up and stressed out in this area, the sympathetics are strong, they'll get this twist going on down in the low back. Okay, line this side face me. Excellent. Line it back. Right there. Yeah, oh boy. Perfect. Nice. So when we adjust, we want to make sure that these bones are moving right so the brain can communicate with all the body parts, and the body's in balance, it works better, gets stronger, including the immune response. Beautiful. Okay, power's on. All right, let's get JP. I'm gonna adjust here. Yeah. Good. Nice. Down there. Line this side face me. Let this one come a little bit, let the shoulder come up. Yeah. There we go. Let's turn it to the left. All right. Good. Face down. Bring your chin to your chest. And bring your chin up and just let it rest right in there. It's gonna come right. That's fine. Okay, so now let's lay her back for a moment. And slide down. And we're gonna take a deep breath. Yeah.
Wow.
Light bulb.
Yeah, that was good.
Good. Okay, this is putty now. All right, power's on there. Okay, my turn.
Awesome. this way for me. Good. Back to neutral. I'll have you on your right side. Face up. Perfect. Go ahead and scoot down a little bit for me.
Great way to finish the shift.
Yep. All right, go ahead and lift up a bit for me. There you go. Good. Back down. There you go. So just relax as much as you can for me. Deep breath in. Good. All the way out. There you go.
That's great. Thank you. Power's on. All right. You notice I get adjusted last because I make sure he's well adjusted so I get a good adjustment. So we look forward to seeing you in the office. Just call up, schedule. We're practicing social distancing here and then the hygiene to keep things clean. So we look forward to seeing you next week. Have a great weekend.